optimize operations, shorten processing times, secure every step. When processing high volumes of mobile devices to resell, repair, or recycle, efficiency is crucial. Blanco Mobile Diagnostics and Erasure Solution is purpose-built to enable mobile processors, 3PLs and 4PLs, resellers, and repair and refurbishment operations to achieve operational excellence while maximizing profits. Combine intelligent diagnostics tests with secure mobile erasure to increase efficiency, improve security, guarantee compliance, and maximize asset value with the ability to automate processes and integrate with existing systems. Blanco Mobile Diagnostics and Erasure allows mobile processors to diagnose multiple devices simultaneously, leveraging a combination of automated and assisted tests. Create custom workflows that guide operators to grade, evaluate, and sort each device according to your policies and requirements. Identify locks and determine device value quickly so operators can route faster, including IMEI, FMIP, rooted jailbroken checks, and carrier locks. And monitor and measure the efficiency of the operators on the floor with Blanco's Business Intelligence Dashboard. More than 15 secure data removal methods are available, including aperiodic random overwrite, HMG InfoSec, and iOS Smart Reset. Each process produces a 100% certified device, backed by erasure verification and Blanco's digitally signed certificate of erasure. Deeply embedded in the mobile industry and with a large global partner ecosystem, Blanco gives mobile processors the tools to rapidly process, evaluate, and grade devices, as well as verify and certify permanent data removal. When Blanco Mobile Diagnostics and Erasure is combined with our Blanco Mobile Solutions app, organizations have access to a complete view of devices at every stage in the mobile lifecycle, from the retail store all the way to back of house, as well as specified workflows for key mobile processes, such as buyback trade-in and returns reduction. Contact us today to see how Blanco Mobile Diagnostics and Erasure can help your organization to achieve operational efficiency and maximize profits.